So is transportation really expensive in Dubai? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your boy Abdul here from Living the Dash, and today we are going to talk about transportation in Dubai. Dubai is one of the most luxurious cities on earth. It's quite expensive and don't expect the transportation there to be cheap. But in this video we are going to talk about the cheapest ways that you can get around Dubai. So stick around till the end of the video. So this video is basically split into three parts. The first part is how to get from the airport to the city in the cheapest way possible. The second part of the video is what are the cheapest transportation options to get around Dubai. And in the third part of our video, we are going to talk about the NOL card. If you are going to use the public transportation system in Dubai, you will need to have this card. This is really important. So yeah, that's it. That's everything we're going to talk about in this video. Let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so to get from Dubai's airport to the city, you've got two options basically. The first one is quite expensive, and that's why we have option number 2. But I'll start with option number 1. So the first option is to take an Uber or a taxi from the airport terminal, and that's quite easy, I know, but it's quite expensive as well. It's really expensive to get a ride in Dubai, especially in private taxis or Ubers. So that's why we have option number 2, which is taking the metro or the bus, and these options are actually 10 times cheaper than taking an Uber or a private taxi. I'm not even joking, it's 10 times cheaper or even maybe higher. It's crazy how expensive Ubers and private taxis are in Dubai. So this is the map of Dubai's metro system. You will find multiple boards just like this one in each station. Just make sure to check it out before you actually decide which direction you want to take. Here are 2 screenshots for the metro map. You might actually want to keep that on your phone. So just take a screenshot or something and keep it on your phone. It will definitely come in handy. Alright, so jumping into the second part of our video, which is what are the cheapest transportation options in Dubai. Well, you've got to use 3 things basically to transport around Dubai if you want to stay within budget. First thing is the metro, second thing are buses, and the third thing is to basically walk. Just mix and match between these and you'll be just fine, trust me. But for you to use the metro and bus effectively or smoothly, I would say, you'd have to have a NOL card. And what is the NOL card? So there are actually 4 types of NOL cards that are in Dubai, but I'll only talk about 2. If you want to read about the 4 types of the NOL cards, you can actually check my website, but here I'm going to talk about only 2 types, the silver and gold cards, because these are the most important ones. So starting with the budget card, which is the NOL card. You pay 25 dirhams for this card and you get 19 credit. You can't use the bus system in Dubai without a NOL card, so this card is really essential for you as a budget traveler. So if you're in Dubai, just get the NOL card and you will use it in buses, you'll use it in the metro, and you will use it in the tram. It's really useful and it's not that expensive. It's gonna save you a lot of money, so make sure to buy it once you're in the airport. The only difference between the silver card and the golden card is that the golden card gives you access to a VIP area in the metro and tram, and the only useful thing for that VIP area is to get away from the crowds that are usually in the rush hours of the day. So if you don't feel like standing up, you can actually buy the gold card instead of the silver one and just have a seat every time you're on the metro or the tram. That's basically it for Dubai's transportation video. I hope it was helpful. I really hope it was. And if you have any questions regarding transportation in Dubai, make sure to write them down in the comment section down below. I'll definitely make sure to answer all your questions, guys, so make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's it. Just don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.